So ever since I got into electronics, it's been one of my dream projects to build an analog synthesizer from scratch. Now, if I'm being honest, I've tried it several times and I have failed for one reason or another. It's either been due to bad components, bad design, over engineering the whole project, or even lack of knowledge. This specific attempt is probably going to be my fourth attempt at making an analog synth. So, just to ensure I don't fail, I plan to keep the design extremely simple. What I plan to build is a single voice synthesizer, and it will consist of five basic circuits. First is going to be a voltage controlled oscillator, which will be the main sound source of our synthesizer. That signal is going to go to a voltage controlled filter. This specific one will be a low pass filter to control the tone of our sound, followed by the filter is going to be the voltage controlled amplifier, which will control the amplitude of our signal. Now, apart from this, there's going to be two modulation sources, one of which is going to be an ADS envelope generator like they used to have in Mini Moog Model D, and the second is going to be a low frequency oscillator. I looked at a bunch of commercial synthesizers, and almost all of them had an external input jack. Now, this jack basically allows you to add in an external signal source, say a guitar, and process it through the synthesizer's signal chain. So, I plan to put in that as well. Since we are using both the external input and the voltage control oscillator, we need to mix these two. So, before both these signals go into a voltage control filter, I'm going to add a mixer. And finally, I'd like to add a line level output so that I can either add a pair of headphones to listen to the sound being generated, or maybe send it to my laptop to record the sound. Now, in the upcoming videos, I'll probably share a few more details about this synthesizer, and maybe even give you a few references where I got my ideas. Now, if you plan to follow the progress of this specific project of mine, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon.